If it weren't for reeds peering over the hedgeline and the whisper of wind-riled water, the presence of a paradise would be easily overlooked. Hidden amongst a mosaic of blooming, web-laced heather, whimsical insect-dusted meadows, lay an oasis. Despite the bustling biodiversity, on this day I had my eyes set on dragonflies, particularly a rare migrant from Europe that never rests for more than a second, the lesser emperor. Unthinkingly, I had managed to choose a windy day to try and film dragons. A terrible idea. Reeds raved as gusts of summer air sent the already hyperactive dragons into hyperspace, rewarding my desperate attempts to track the lesser emperor with little but unfocused blue streaks of the dragon I'd come to film, over and over again. After limited success, I focused on some of the more compliant demoiselles around the pond's edge, chasers that rested on reeds, or female dragons that were laying eggs. One commendator took a liking to a particular fence, where he posed and cleaned in between bouts of pursuing flying insects that stumbled into his airspace. But even these more obliging subjects wouldn't stick around for very long. I strolled back to the pondside where I knew the lesser emperor was lurking, somewhere amongst the reeds. This time the rare dragon came past on several occasions, even momentarily pausing mid-flight, allowing me to pull focus. His aggressive nature was apparent in the state of this emperor, whose wings bared the scars of the unrelenting dogfights imposed by his European cousin. Probably best find a different pond. Thankfully, there is still lots of room for improvement, and thus an excellent excuse to go back and spend more time with dragons. Though, maybe next time I'll give some of the other pondside inhabitants a chance. After all, they tend to be a little more cooperative.